Kidamtang pai ni pai krit trokar ni Election Commission of India hinpen mithang asai hemalong Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar hinpen perangkya maikang ni. Perangkya mailong Jammu and Kashmir long Assembly elections ki padoja puthaksi pangdakpon. Bangso hut ki pangdakpon atengki kiwangji chiti ni pai kriner ke barni JN ke long Assembly kilik padupon po. Laben bangso kiligang thegabang ke pre ni pai pliar ni pangdakpon po busi perangkya mailong ninjipon.
Elections in J&K will be held in 3 phases. So this is a shorter period. This is a much shorter period, much shorter than even the parliamentary elections, which were 5. 20th of August, just the next day of the Amarnath Yatra being complete, the 19th, would be the date of notification for the first phase. Nominations till 27th, scrutiny on the next day 28th, and date of poll will be 18th of September, and it's a Wednesday. We are also keeping that in mind, not keeping Fridays and Mondays to give a longer holiday spell. Second phase would be on 29th of August, and the statutory period of nominations and all, poll being on 25th of September, and phase 3 nomination on 5th of September, and every voting finishing on 1st of October. So counting would be on 4th of October, and everything would be over, bind up on 6th of October. We can show you the map also. It's the how the scheduling is being done. The yellow portion is first. The yellow portion would have the districts of Kishtwar, Ramban, Doda on this side, Jammu side, and Anantnag, Pulwama, Shopian, and Kulgaon in the valley. The second phase would be Gandarbal, Srinagar, Badgaon in the valley side, and on the Jammu side, Poonch, Rajouri, and Riyasi. And then the forces move up. So North Kashmir in the upper reaches, and also the Jammu and Udhampur, Samba, and the Kathua region.
Assembly kilik padoji lapen purun ki thom an paman ponpo. Lapen ke chengsa purun abang ke chiti ni phai krener kep adun tu abang ke chiti ni phai koi rapho lapen kijut sila ke pre ni phai isyar ni pajut pon po busi perang ke amailong CEC Kumar pen pangdakpon.
There are total 90 assembly constituencies, of which 74 are general, SC are 7, and SC are 6, ST are 9, and SC constituencies are 7. ये डिलिमिटेशन के बाद रिजर्वेशंस जो प्रोवाइड किए गए उनकी कहानी है.
Jammu and Kashmir ang kangalong kadokawi Troxir Kep Assembly constituencies do. Laswang bong pen General ang hoy Troxi Kebra Plido. ST Parman ing hoy Sir Kep pen SC constituency bang Troxi anang hoy do. Jammu and Kashmir along elector sa pajong silang rampulote 87.09 lakh ando. Laswang bong so pinso voter aphay lakh pli kebra pli ra tokbor isira pli trok lapen so arlo voters aphay lakh pli kebra hini ra tokbor trok hini ando puta CEC Kumar pen pangdakpon.
अगर इलेक्टर्स के डाटा के बारे में बात करें तो J&K में टोटल 87.09 लाख इलेक्टर्स होंगे, जिसमें लगभग ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल 44.46 लाख मेल और 42.62 लाख फीमेल वोटर्स होंगे. बड़ी अच्छी स्टोरी ये भी है कि जिस तरीके से यूथ ने पिछली बार भाग लिया इलेक्शंस में, इस बार उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स भी होंगे अराउंड 3.71 लाख, और टोटल अगर वोटर्स को देखें तो 20 lakhs and above would be the youth, and we want to focus on youth as ambassadors of our elections.
National Desk Report, KTV News.